Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I draw a face. Let me start over. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I draw a face. The materials that you're going to need today: a pencil. I use a mechanical pencil. I really don't use like a traditional pencil anymore. It's just my preference. You don't need a mechanical pencil. I also have this color pencil just because sometimes I sketch in color pencils. There's no particular reason why I do it. It's just a preference again. I have erasers. These are some gummy bear erasers that I got from Michael's. They're actually on sale. They were like $2 for a set of 4. I lost the other 2. So yeah. And this is my eraser as well. It looks like a lollipop. Alright, so the first thing that we want to do, you want to draw a circle. What this circle is going to do is going to tell us exactly, it's pretty much going to help us map out the face, you know. So then you want to draw a line straight down the circle. This is going to be from top of the head to the bottom of the head, and we're going to say that this is the chin. Okay, now you're going to take another line and you're going to go straight across that circle. What is this line here? It's pretty much going to tell us where the ears begin. And if you want to, you can put these little lines here, kind of like a basketball, like you're drawing a basketball, because that's where the forehead kind of turns in, versus this is the side of the forehead. Like say if you're going to shade after you've sketched it out, this right here is where the head starts to take the sphere shape. It starts to turn. Now I don't typically use that all the time just because I sketch like pretty quick. So this is the chin here, and I'm just gonna clean this up. Now if you want to, you can use a ruler if you wanted just to get it super precise. I do that kind of hard, but it's okay because I'm really not gonna it's not gonna like affect anything. I didn't draw it like too hard, and if you do draw it a little hard, just go back and erase it lightly, where you can still see the line, but you erase it. Now this is what I do. I like to get everything pretty much symmetrical as I can. Now this is the chin. We're gonna go down each side of the face, taking off the edges of the circle. I think this is like the easiest way to do it. Now if you want to, because we're gonna figure out where we want to put the chin. Excuse my nail, I broke it at work. It hurts so bad, but I will be okay. Now you see, like this is just my draft. Of course it's not gonna look like this in the long run, you know. Now you put this here because that's the top. That's pretty much where the eyebrows will be, like right below this, you know. And then I'm gonna put another line here, and then this is a line here because that's where I'm putting the nose. Leave area for the chin, and this is here. These are the lips. This is the chin. This is the contour of the face, so that I know where I'm putting everything. Alright, and again, if you mess up, it's super easy to just go back and erase it. Now, I am by no means a professional. I really just draw as I see fit. There's no right or wrong way. Like a lot of people in art try to tell you, oh, you need to be, you're supposed to do it this way, but no. It's like makeup. Like, nobody can tell you how you're supposed to draw something. You know, because it's your art. Art really doesn't have any rules. Okay, back to the topic. I'm only doing it hard because I don't feel like it's easy to see with the way that I have this camera set up. I'm gonna zoom in. Me. So pretty much you start off with a triangle. I don't add the other half of it. I just add a triangle. I learned this from I was following like a Pixar animator on like Twitter, and you know, I watched a little time-lapse videos. But yeah, so pretty much I take the triangle, I'll put a circle, pretty much making it like a little ice cream cone pretty much. Then you can either do like a a comma on each side of the triangle, and then put 2 more commas on the side just to close it out. You can either do that kind, and me, I like to keep going, so I'll take and add more commas. Now this will eventually become erased, but this is pretty much just to give you a foundation for when you are drawing a nose. Or another method that I use, you can first start here, start with the bottom of the nose, and I add these. Pretty much I just add the nostrils, commas, another comma. Now, then I'll add that triangle. So it's like the end of it. This is pretty much this nose that I drew. Now, to draw the eyes, it's pretty much just a almond shape. Just think of an almond. And then I just put a little, I just put the tear duct, just add it onto it after you've done the almond shape. The easiest way to do it. And then half of the eye's length, that's where I put the eyelid. Some people's eyelids are different, some people, you know. And if you want to, you can add the ones below. And where the eye would sit in the eyelid, it's pretty much like a full circle. Right? And the way that I draw the lips, if you watched me, you saw me do the 3 circles. Pretty much I did it, I drew the lips before and then I did the circles. I actually used 2 different methods. One, you can do 1 circle, 2 circles. This is here. This is this lip. But I wanted the mouth to be open, so pretty much what the 3 circles are is to give me a ratio. So sorry my camera cut off, but pretty much the 3 circles are to give me a ratio of the mouth. This first circle here is just to help me with the fullness of the top lip. And the 2 circles at the bottom are supposed to help me with the fullness of the bottom lip. Why I put 2 circles is because typically on every mouth it's like a line in between the bottom lip. So that's going to be the line. And that's going to help you assess like the fullness of each lip. Oh, I'm not in frame. Oh my god. Okay, so then I take this, I don't know what to call this, pretty much draw whatever this is. Oh my god, I can't remember what it is. And then I'll put 2 dots at the end if you want to. So you can draw it up. And that's how I draw lips. Now, if I have time, an eyebrow. I mean, I can do a separate tutorial if you guys would like to, if you would like me to. Continuing, like finishing the facial features, facial structure. Here's a, let me see. Look for something that I've done recently. Just like old work. You would think I would know where my stuff is, right? Nope. I draw it and throw it to the side. Wow, this is another one that I did. If you'd like to, you can follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is Idontgiveafashion. IDONTGIVEA fashion on Instagram. You can also visit my website, Idontgiveafashion at Wix. I'll list it all below. I really hope that you found this useful. Thank you for watching and have a great day.